This is a Commodore C64 that was found in a pile of rubbish under a house by a friend who was doing renovations, and it must have been under the house for at least 20 years. I'm going to remove the rust from the RF shield and repaint it. I know the RF shield's not absolutely essential, but it means I won't have to worry about warning there are flashing colours ahead, brackets to support the keyboard. After running some tests, I discovered that the colour RAM had failed, which has now been replaced and using an NEC2114, which is now socketed, and now the machine appears to be running a lot better. The keyboard has some damage and it will need a replacement stem and a new left hand side shift key, but I'm quite happy with the progress of the repair so far. I've reinserted the SID and here's a SID test running. I'm just going to run the diagnostics again from my Kung Flu Flash, and so far it mostly seems to be running okay. SID test, and then I've just run the dead test again and a few other diagnostics. The machine needs a lot of work still, a lot of cleaning up, but I'm actually quite impressed that it actually is still even bootable with the bad colour RAM after sitting in a pile of rubbish for over 20 years. And I'm actually quite pleased that the PLA wasn't the issue and it was only the colour RAM so far. Okay, we'll just let the tests run through, and I hope you found this somewhat interesting. If not, that's fine. But I enjoyed working on this machine, and there's still